Hey everybody, so I have this Cillit Bang degreaser and I'm going to try to use it to clean this front part of my grill that's just got a bunch of grease and gunk caked up on it. It sits undercover, so it never even gets rinsed off or anything by the rain. So basically, Cillit Bang, put bigger text on the back of your container please. But anyways, what it says to do is just to spray it on, leave it for 30 seconds up to 5 minutes if it's really caked on, and then just rinse it off, no scrubbing necessary. So I'm going to go ahead, make sure that this is on. Once it's on, I'm just going to go ahead and spray this down. Spray this all down. And I'm going to give it a couple minutes. Okay, so I was wrong. It doesn't say no scrubbing necessary. It did say to wash it before you just put the product on, then wash it, and then to rinse it off, which I finally did. And I'm pretty satisfied with the result.